In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make PowerPoint presentation with Canva. We'll walk through how to start a presentation. Pick the best starting point for your project. Customize your slides so they look polished and cohesive, and export everything as a PowerPoint file you can open or share. First, head to Canva's homepage. In the search bar, type Presentation or click Create a Design and choose Presentation 16:9. This widescreen size is the standard for most modern displays, so it'll look great whether you are presenting on a laptop or a projector. Next, choose your starting point. If you want a head start on design, browse templates by theme like product or science, and when you find a look you like, click Customize this template. This drops the entire slide deck into your editor. Ready for your content. If you prefer a quick draft, use the Canva AI option on the home page. Type a prompt such as presentation about marketing and let it generate slides for you. You'll get structure, layout, and sample text you can refine to match your message. Already have a deck? Go to File. Then upload a file and import your .pptx so you can update it with Canva's tools. Now, customize your slides. Click any text to edit it, and use the Text tab to add headlines or body text where you need it. Keep headings concise and make sure your font sizes create a clear visual hierarchy. For visuals, drag images or graphics from uploads if you have your own files, or browse elements and photos to find icons, shapes, and stock images. Aim for consistent image styles and align elements so everything feels intentional and well-spaced. If you need more slides, click the plus icon at the bottom or duplicate a page to keep formatting consistent. To quickly refresh the overall look, open the Styles tab and apply a color palette and font pairing across all slides. High contrast colors improve readability, and limiting yourself to one or two fonts helps your deck feel cohesive. To add movement, select an element or a slide and choose Animate to apply animations and transitions. Subtle, consistent effects work best. Think simple fades rather than flashy movements, so your audience stays focused on your message. When you are ready to export, click the Share button in the top right. Select Download, choose Microsoft PowerPoint .pptx as the file type, and click Download to save your presentation. You'll get a PowerPoint file you can open, present, or share as needed. That's it. Thanks for watching.